Hi, this is Cathy. I'm the co-owner at Fabric Bash. We are located at 11019 I Street, basically 110th and I. Fabric Bash is a quilting store. We have fabric, notions, thread, sewing machines, certified sewing repair, and long arm rentals. Long arm quilting is the process of taking your beautifully made quilt top, putting it together and sewing it together with the batting and the backing, ready for the binding and for you to enjoy your beautiful quilt. Quilting is changing. There's a stereotype out there that it's 55 and older female. We have Gen Xers, millennials, men, young children coming into the store. Fabric Bash is part of that change. For the first time in Omaha, we are excited to let you know that we have partnered with Excite Experiences to take a busload of people down to the Houston International Quilt Festival for a most enjoyable time. Whether you're a seasoned quilter, a new quilter, or just quilt curious, we encourage you to stop by Fabric Bash to learn more about this quilting world.